Hello everyone, welcome to Aryavardhan Tutorials. This is Deepa. I am the trainer for you in this Aryavardhan Tutorials. So Aryavardhan Tutorials is the one where we are going to get where you people will get the online coaching classes for the programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and all the computer science subjects. You're going to get the training for that. Okay, so you're going to get the tuition classes which will be purely online. So for diploma students, engineering for students, for BCA and MCA, all the students, you'll be so I'll be guiding you with the particular subject. So I'll be giving you the tuition classes which is purely online. So it will be one-to-one or it will be in the group. So as your choice, you can go for the tutorials. Okay, so you can contact me to the below mail ID, that is deepa.857@gmail.com. Please do contact if you want any tutorials on the programming languages as well as the computer science related subjects. Okay, thank you. So now today I'm going to tell you about the installation of download and installation of Python and PyCharm. Okay, so Python is one of the language which is object oriented and which is easier compared to the Java and C++. And PyCharm is one of the platform where it where the Python language can be run and installed. So it is one of the IDE. Okay, so Python works on PyCharm. So now let us see the steps. So before that, let us see what is the agenda. Today's agenda is Python download, Python installation, PyCharm download, PyCharm installation, and simple Python programs. Okay, so now step one. So how we are going to download the Python language? So this Python can be downloaded through the website, that is python.org. So you should click on the particular link, then the website will be opened for you for the download options. There will be two options for you. One is download Python 3.6.3 and another one is 2.7. So this is the older version, so you should click on the 3.6 version, then click on the download here. So next one is path setting. How we are going to set the path? So click on the add Python 3.6 to the path. So if you don't click on this the path, then you will be getting error while execution of the Python programming IDE, that is PyCharm. Okay, so the main thing, you should click on both these boxes and you should go for installation. After that, it will take certain time for the installation. Then the Python has been installed successfully, then you're going to click on the close button. So next is the download and installation of PyCharm. So PyCharm can be installed through the website, it is called as jetbrains.com. So if you click on the particular link where I have mentioned here, then you'll be getting the two options here. One is professional and another one is community. So you should click on the community. It is one of the free and open source for the PyCharm to be used by all. Okay, so if you click on that, then you'll be getting the addition setup, where you have to click on the next. Then destination folder we have to choose here, then click on the next button. Then we have to select whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit launcher, so depending upon your operating system. Then click on the next. Then we should click on the JetBrains. Then finally we have to click on the install button. So it takes certain time for the installation of this PyCharm. So finally the PyCharm has been installed successfully. Then you should click on the finish. So now the particular PyCharm IDE will be opened like this. So this is the PyCharm download and installation. So today I will tell you some of small programs, how these Python programs can be written in this PyCharm and how it is executed. Okay, now let us see here. So this is the PyCharm Windows. So PyCharm IDE, PyCharm IDE. So if you want to create the new file, then you should go for the file, new project, then followed by, if you give one name, so like I'm going to give like hello, then see here, the location will be like this. So how, where this PyCharm is stored. So we have set the path, we have mentioned the destination while installing this PyCharm. Okay, so next one is the base interpreter. This is the interpreter is nothing but it is a python.exe, means Python language is used as the interpreter over here. So if I click on create, then it will ask whether the same window or new window. So if I click on this window, then the particular new project will be opened here. So now I have already one project for like beginners. I have mentioned or have created one project for like beginners, and these are all the Python files which has to be which we have created. That is .py, extension of .py means it is one of the Python file. Okay. So now let us see the simple program how we are going to run in the Python. So print hello world. Print hello world means this is a simple print statement for executing. So compared to C and Java, where we are going to use 3 to 4 statements are used for printing a particular line, whereas in Python only print hello world, the particular hello world will be get printed here. Second one, str is one of the string variable where the Monty Python string value is stored in it. So see here, before in C++ and Java, we should mention which type of the variable it is, whether it is int, float, char, double. But in Python, we need not have to mention which type of the variable we are going to use. Okay, by default, it is considered as a Monty Python, means it is of the string type. Then this execution statement, that is print str of 3, I have written in the square bracket. So that is square bracket. So particular 3 means the str of 3, that is t value will be executed, means you are going to get the 3 value or extraction of the particular character from the string. So how we are going to get it is, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3 here. So next one is the name is equal to input, enter your name. So name input is one of the input is one of the command which is used for the getting input from the user. So in C in C++ and C, we are going to use scanf and cin for getting the input from the user. So it is one of the input function here. So here input function in Python, we are going to just simply write that input followed by the string. So enter your name. The particular input will be stored in the name variable. So see here, name variable also I have not mentioned whether it is of the string type. By default, it will be taking like this. Okay, so see here, string str. Next one is, there are some functions in the Python language which are built-in functions are used in Python languages. So these built-in functions which helps in reducing the Python coding number of lines will be reduced, and it is far easier than compared with the C++ and Java. So now A is equal to name dot upper, the upper function which converts a particular name to the uppercase, and it is printed over here. Then B name dot lower, it converts the particular name to the lowercase. Then A means plus sign is used for the concatenation of two strings. So this is the default string, and this is a string which contains the name of the user, name of the value which is given by the user. Okay, so if I go on run this program, then see here, I'm going to get the output. So hello world is one output which contains the printf statement, and second one t is the one of the value which contains str of 3. This is the output of print statement, this one here. Then print name means enter your name. You have to give a name, some like mention one name like Anita. So see here, I have given the external name here. So if I enter, so see here, the particular name value will be printed at Anita, and print this A value contains the name which is in uppercase, and B value which contains the name in lowercase. So this is all about how this Python programming can be done, and how execution is done. So it is far better, or it is very simpler. English like statements are used, and the statements, the lines are very short compared with the C++ and Java. Okay, so if you want to learn this particular Python language, please do contact me to the below the mail ID, that is deepa.857@gmail.com. So at the end of the course, you'll be getting the materials of this Python. Okay. So please do contact me for this. So thanks for watching my this one. Okay.